Hi everyone, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can fix your ProtaSteel when it says registration key is invalid. So let me try to open my ProtaSteel 2022. Just double click on it. Alright, then you can see the error I have. It says registration key is invalid. The reason I have this error is because ProtaSteel is not able to locate my license. It is not able to locate the license for this ProtaSteel. So what I'm just going to do straight away is I'm going to open my ProtaStructure 2022. So let me open my ProtaStructure 2022. Alright, so my ProtaStructure 2022 is open. So let me just minimize this. Now you can now open your ProtaSteel. So let's see what will happen with ProtaSteel now. Alright, so you can see that the ProtaSteel has opened. So the ProtaSteel is now open. So that is exactly how you are going to fix that. You know, when you want to insert the license for this software, you are going to do it in ProtaStructure. You are not going to do it in ProtaSteel or ProtaDetails. Okay, so your ProtaSteel may not be able to locate the license, but when your ProtaStructure is opened and the license has been entered for ProtaStructure, then definitely ProtaSteel will be able to locate that. So this is exactly how you are going to do that. But if you still have the error persisting, that means your ProtaStructure does not have a license. So this is how you go about doing that. Thanks for watching.